హాయ్ గైస్, వాటర్ బోట్ గురించి చెప్తారు. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, వాటర్ బోట్ ఇది. ఆ అంకుల్ ఆ అన్న చెప్తాడు, వినండి. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు ఎలా ఏమి అనేసి. లేదు హాయ్
Hi.
హాయ్
So my name is Chris.
యా
I've been water skiing for many years, and so this boat is actually 15 years old. I bought it 15 years ago, and at the time it was the perfect water ski boat. It's made by a company in the United States called Mastercraft, and
Yeah, I have one dino gun. It's a gun, but it's not a pistol.
it is made specifically for water skiing.
It has six
It's
dots.
not a very good. A lot of people today are surfing behind boats, and it's not very good for surfing. So
Yeah.
a water skier wants a wake that
Yeah.
is very flat. So because when you're water skiing, slalom skiing, you're going very fast. The boat, when I ski, is going 34 miles an hour, and when I come across the wake, I'm probably skiing at about 60 miles an hour. So it's nice if it's not a very big bump. And so that's what this boat does. It makes a very, very small bump in the middle, and so it allows you to ski faster. And so slalom skiing is not done by a lot of people anymore. It used to be more popular than it is, but for competition slalom skiing, they ski around a course, and the boat goes down the middle, and then there are 6 buoys that the skier has to ski around, 3 on each side. So speed is the important thing, is to get from one side to the other to get around the next buoy. And so that's why it's nice to have a boat that makes very small wake, because you're trying to go as fast as you can. So as I said, this boat is 15 years old, and at the time it was a lot of money at the time when I bought it, but I only paid $52,000 for it. Today to replace it,
No, it takes time.
almost $200,000. So I try to take good care of it, because I want to have it for another 10 years or more. So we just got it back today. My son had it in Montana for 2 weeks, and so I picked it up yesterday and spent all day cleaning it. But that's about it. If you have a look at the cover is on the boat, but the motor for the boat is right in the middle. It's in the middle of the boat, and then if you look at the back, the propeller comes out at the back, but it comes from the middle of the boat. And having the motor in the middle of the boat makes it so that it goes flat, and so then doesn't create a big wake. So people who wakeboard and surf, they have boats with a motor in the very back, all the way in the back of the boat. So it plows down and makes a big wave, but this doesn't.
ఇది అండి వాటర్ బోట్ గురించి చెప్పారు అన్న ఇంతసేపు. ఎట్లా వెళ్తుంది ఏమనేసి ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పినాడు, చూపించాడు. ఇట్లా దీన్ని తీసేసి దీంట్లో కూర్చుంటారు, పీపుల్స్ తీసుకెళ్తారు వాటర్ నీళ్ళల్లో రివర్ దగ్గర. చెప్పు, నేను ఉందో చెప్పు, తెలుగులో చెప్పు. దీంట్లో ఎట్లా వెళ్తారన్న తెలుగులో చెప్పు.
నాకే తెలియదు.
అవునా, సరేలే, సరే, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.